Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel AceFin. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 31st of January Monday, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 1st of February Tuesday, which is the budget day. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the world indices. If we talk about the European indices, Germany, France and UK, all indices are trading in green except France, which is somewhat flattish. If we talk about China, the previous trading session was in red and US closed in green. So we are having good global cues as we see that the uh, yields are flattening. If we talk about the FIS and DIS data, FIS have sold more than 3,600 crores and DIS have also bought for more than 3,600 crores. So there is a tug of war which is going on between the FIS and DIS. If we talk about the Nifty on a one-day channel chart, if we can see that Nifty has found a very small candle and we saw a gap up. To understand the price action, we need to go to the 15-minute chart. So today, because of the good Asian cues, we opened gap up in the range of 17,300. Earlier, we were expecting that we will somewhat open in 17,150 to 17,200, but here we saw a huge gap up, and from the gap up, Nifty started sustaining also, and it was taking resistance which was given in the previous video. As you can check, the link will be given in the I button as well as at the end of the video. This was the zone 17,350 to 370 which was given as a resistance zone. So here Nifty was hovering till 12 p.m. and finally at 12 p.m. this resistance zone was broken and the Nifty touched the second level which was given in the previous video, 17,400 to 420. So from here the Nifty has taken a resistance and then closed at 17,339. So for tomorrow, if we open gap up, then the first resistance would be at 17,400 to 420, the second resistance would be at 17,500 to 520, and the third resistance would be 17,600. And for tomorrow, I am also giving the fourth resistance because tomorrow is a budget day and we can see either side movement, a big movement, either upside or downside. Then the fourth resistance would be at 17,680 to 17,700. If we open gap down and Nifty starts trading lower, then the first resistance support would be at 17,270. So this is going to be the first resistance zone. Then the second support zone would be at 17,150 to 170 and the third would be at 17,000. The fourth would be at 16,820 to 830. We can validate this on the option chain. If you see the 3rd February option chain, we can see a lot of call writing is happening at 17,500. But here we can see that there is a change in Y is in negative. So that means that call writers are not very sure that 17,500 will be saved, and these people are losing their confidence. That means that market is definitely going to go up. If we talk about the put writers, the put writing is happening at 17,000 level as well as 17,200 level. So at this level we can see that all the call writers have closed their positions, so we can expect up movement. In the previous budget 2021, we saw a huge upward rally of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's see whether for tomorrow what Nirmala Sitharaman presents in front of the industry and how the market reacts. If we look at Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty has formed a red candle over here and it was kind of recovering towards the end of the session. If we talk about Bank Nifty also opened gap up and we opened somewhere around 38,000. Uh, then from 38,000 level, we saw a sharp fall in Bank Nifty and we came to the support level which was given in the previous video, 37,600 to 650. From there a sharp upward rally came and again the Bank Nifty touched 38,000 and then it started hovering between 38,000 to 38,000 130 to 150 was the resistance given, but it started hovering in the range of 38,000 to 37,800 to 850. So for tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens gap up, then the first resistance would be at 38,130 to 150. Second resistance would be at 38,450 to 500. The third resistance would be at 38,700 to 750, and the ultimate resistance would be at 39,000. If Bank Nifty opens gap down and there is a fall, then the first support would be at 37,800, the second would be at 37,600 to 650, and the third would be at 37,420 to 37,450. If this is broken, then definitely we are coming to the level of 37,000. So these are the levels for tomorrow as per charts. Let's look at the Bank Nifty option chain and see what option chain is saying. Friends, there is some lag in the website of NSE, and I could not see NSE option chain of our Bank Nifty coming up. Let's wait for a while. Yes, we have got the option chain for Bank Nifty. Here at 38,000 level, there is good amount of call writers and put writers, but we need to see what's happening in the OTM strike price of call as well as input. So here we can see that at 38,300 and some call writers have closed their position, so they are not very sure about this position, and that means that 38,300 is coming. 38,500 is a good call writing support zone, resistance zone, as well as 39,000 is the strike price where we can see a lot of call writing is happening. So these are the two levels as per option chain. If we talk about the put writing zone, the put writing zone is at 37,500. We can see huge put writing over 37,500, and here call writers have closed their position, so that means that this level of 37,500 is not going to come unless there is a huge selling. So these are the levels as per option chain. So for tomorrow I have a caveat for you guys. Please trade light. Let market decide which side market wants to go. If market trades in a range and it can break out either upward or downwards, let that break happen. Let that breakout come. Don't trade before and keep your positions light, because tomorrow is budget day. There will be huge volatility. So that's all for this video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, please follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.